Today we're diving into the remarkable world of bean plants and exploring their incredible benefits for soil health, the environment, and human nutrition. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about soil health. Bean plants are legumes, which means they have a unique ability to fix nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form that plants can use. This natural process enriches the soil, improving its fertility and structure. This not only enhances crop productivity, but also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. By incorporating beans into your crop rotation, you can promote healthier soil, leading to better yields and sustainability. Next, let's look at the environmental impact. Bean plants contribute significantly to biodiversity, providing habitat for various organisms. Their root systems help prevent soil erosion, ensuring that our topsoil stays intact and fertile. Additionally, growing beans can lower the carbon footprint compared to raising livestock. By choosing plant-based proteins like beans, we can promote more sustainable food systems. Now, on to human nutrition. Beans are packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a powerhouse food. They aid in digestion, help control blood sugar levels, and even support heart health. Whether you're adding them to salads, soups, or as a meat substitute in your favorite recipes, incorporating beans into your diet is a delicious and nutritious choice. So there you have it. Bean plants are not only beneficial for our soil and environment, but also a vital component of a healthy diet. We encourage you to explore growing your own beans or incorporating more bean-based meals into your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on sustainable living. We'd love to hear your thoughts about beans in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.